I have the
We
wiki
were,
open.
yeah,
Oh,
we
really?
were
Yeah,
discussing.
he has 3 attacks in phase one and then 2 in phase 2 out of like 20 that are parryable. It's not great. Alright. Um, Brian, right now I gotta fix the bug where when the game is over, you can still like try to upgrade, but you shouldn't be able to. Um,
Yeah, you should probably fix that.
yeah.
It should probably not be a thing, I guess.
Yes.
Minor bug though, I guess.
Um, Pretty minor. Yeah, I think I know how to do it. It's not a great way. It'll work, but it's kind of.
Is that
This
one
guy's
not
preloading
variable?
null.
His like spin around?
I don't think so. Brian, what were you saying?
This guy's preloading null.
Yeah, yeah.
It's kind of crazy.
You understand.
I know you're right.
Okay, so like generally, um, the game only shows like one overlay screen at a time, and an overlay is something like the pause or upgrade screen, right?
Uh-huh.
So if one of those are already showing, then you can't put another one up, right? So what I'm doing here is just putting an empty scene, which is null. Sure, I called it null, but an empty scene on top as the overlay.
I see.
Yeah, to make it think that there is one there, and then I'll just hide it. So I should work for the player dying. For winning, it is. Should probably also add like an option to automatically win the game, like a debug option, so you don't have to wait through it.
You did add or you need to add?
I should add, right?
I guess. I'm not really testing winning the game. Also, don't you have something that's like 2 times 200 speed? I can wait like 10 seconds.
Yeah, but like, what if there's a button to just do it? You know? I think you just need to go.
Glob, dude. Thought you were gonna say glob something. I was so excited.
I think this. Why are you excited for Glob?
Oh, thought you messed up.
Nah, never.
I don't believe you.
Did you check out the new explosion stuff? Or should I just show you? Could just
The
show
what?
you. The new explosion changes.
I have not seen it.
You should check them if you want. Perhaps.
How could I have seen them?
I don't know. They're on main. You can you can pull main or whatever.
I thought you were just gonna do it. You're like there.
Look, it's Interprete's crush.
Facts.
Bruh. Alright, doing that shit did not work.
Oh, I actually have to. Fine. I guess I'll fucking do it.
It's fucking fuck, dude.
I hate it here.
I love it here.
hell does the game's timer work? Is it just this? It is.
Conflicted files? Why? I mean, I'll just take everything from main, honestly. That's how to do it, right? Without looking.
You should not do it without looking. You should undo that, like abort that. Just switch over to main and then look at it.
I guess I could do that.
Don't pull it into yours if you're unsure of the changes.
But I don't
I think
have any changes.
I think the conflicts are the ones in like the explosion class probably.
Well, there's 2, but then there's like 6 more.
There could be a few. There could be many things I changed that also just happen to have changes on your branch. If you make the player win, what actually happens? It does get here. It does say it's done.
You don't know anything.
Oh, huge kill. Almost.
Dude, back on that samurai beat.
Because I was practicing. I want to practice parrying.
Dude, why didn't you pick the parrying guy?
The bandit, because this
Yeah.
character was already created.
Oh.
Strict reason why.
I was like, dude, that guy is like built for parrying. Like the whole thing. Explosion changes? I already forgot what I'm supposed to be looking at.
Just see if explosions act how you think they should. Like I changed this so that it should use the hitbox for explosions, right? Instead of just the one source of damage at the end of the explosion.
That's
be right back.
crazy.
I'm gonna
I
go
have
grab coffee.
debug on.
What'd you say? Brendan?
You said be right back.
Oh, no,
I
what-
said that's crazy. I have debug on.
Oh.
Like the. Oh, dude. That load up screen kind of cool though.
Okay, the win
Is it
is
supposed to
just-
hit multiple times? Yes, right? I think.
It's not
What
supposed to hit. It's not supposed to hit the same enemy multiple times, but it'll hit multiple enemies as it
It does
explodes,
hit,
right?
It does hit the same enemy multiple times.
It shouldn't. Like it literally should. It's coded to not.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, but it is for sure. Like 100% it is.
In no way. I'll check. I'll
I
add
I
debugging.
promise you it is even.
I'll
Like I
add
can I actually
debugging.
already saw it. Like
Brother,
I
I
just
can-
saw something hit for 25 twice.
Nah, I don't believe it.
I'm going back to my branch. That shit looks way better.
This is crazy. Do you want me to just merge the shit into your branch for you?
Yeah, actually that'd be sick.
Alright, let me see. Beans branch. Leave my shit.
I'm gonna go warm up some food.
Alright. Did you just wake up?
No.
Wild. Accept the incoming? No. Accept the current, and I'll just have to reload this. Hmm. Pretty sure this shouldn't be here. Hmm.
Hello, guys.
Yo.
Bitch is back. I am the bitch.
Wild. Don't need this. Should keep Brian's comment.
I. Now what?
Beast go.
Hold on, I'm still merging and shit. Hopefully this works.
This guy is so hopeful.
Just use this. Okay, yeah, you're not right. There's like a few, more than a few even, issues.
Like,
Fucking get me to 20 vigor right away.
Many issues even, except current here. So continue that, and then reopen this.
You know what's funny though? Brandon, I realized the reason I never knew what this guy did.
yeah.
I killed him on my first playthrough.
Hilarious.
That's
Like,
why
right
I
off
never
rip?
learned what he did. Yeah. Right off rip.
Crazy.
Hell yeah.
For no reason either.
It's such a big reason. He's an asshole. What do you mean?
He's just a guy, dude.
He's
He
like,
steals a
dude, you
percentage
can
of
slip
your
by
earnings, bro.
undetected if you go through the side. Biggest lie I've ever seen in my life.
You kind of don't get detected by
You get
the.
so detected. What do you mean? There's enemies. There's literally a dude at the top with a fucking horn. What are you talking about?
You don't get detected by the. What's it called?
Get parried, bitch.
Hold off. Um,
Parry you again, don't even trip.
you don't get detected by the guys with like ballistas and those fire things.
You can't because you're
You
not
still
going
get
there.
detected though.
Yeah.
No,
what do
you
you
end up
mean?
behind them. No, if you go through the side.
Yeah. Well, no, still right in front of him, but from the side.
And you're going
He
way
attacks
forward.
so slow, it's hard to parry, bro.
No. Just wait for his hand to actually move forward.
You're telling me that wasn't a parry? That's crazy.
I'm looking at it. Yeah.
Oh, and now you speed up. That's crazy.
Easy parries there. Missed opportunity. All right.
Yeah. Got him now. Literally just parrying him just because. He fucked. I don't understand. It's like I'm hitting his hand with my shield at the time of swinging, but he's still fucking. He's even making a noise.
All right. I think it's good. I'll just push those changes for you.
Dude loves parrying.
I ran
Big parry guy.
pull
It's
your
fun.
badge.
Shit goes hard, bro. It's great.
Mm. Brian, did you pull your stuff?
No. Not yet.
Alright, well, let me know when you do, because like, there's some lines you can add to debug if it is hitting the same enemy twice.
Oh boy.
It's like two print statements, dog.
Yeah, but then there's gonna be like, okay, well now you can just change this. Okay, well now you can just add this. I promise you can only add these 16 lines of code.
Brother, I'm telling you what to type. It's so simple.
You're telling me what to type instead of just doing it.
Mm-hmm. This guy loves pairing. He's crazy at it. It gets to here, it doesn't instantiate this? Or does it?
Okay. Hmm. What? Fuck you guys, dude.
Did you get the shield?
Not yet. I have to get runes. That's why I'm here.
Hmm.
Huge. Cannot call method play on a null value, baby.
The what?
Could not find animated sprite 2D.
You should share your screen, perhaps.
It's because I don't have it as access as unique name.
Probably.
Bright.play is null value as well. This is crazy. Wait, did you change the name of the explosion from something?
No, it's just called explosions though.
That's crazy.
There we go. Now I got it.
Did this fuck everything now? We're about to find out. Damn. It does.
Well, my changes?
Yeah.
Damn.
Big errors.
Can you just share your shit, dog?
Huge errors, even. I can't. For some reason,
What the hell?
Discord will not let me. Discord fucking sucks, bro.
Some people are saying this.
What?
Kill me.
What's up?
It all fucking work. God, what a stupid ass piece of shit software, bro.
Your game or Discord?
Maybe a little bit of both, who knows? The First Descendant? What is this? Looks kind of good.
It's a D's. Got 'em.
What is it, Brandon? I've heard of it as well.
I don't know. It's just, there's a game ready driver for it.
Oh, okay. Must be massive.
Must be massive indeed. Can't wait for us to not play it.
True. Alright. Bug fixed. Next one, death particles go off at the same time.
Bitch, invade me. Yeah. Oh, he's behind me. Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna restart my computer.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. They fixed it.
Crazy.
Oh my god, there's so many of them.
Me looking at all the errors. Is this the cave where you step on the bell in
Patches.
Patch's cave?
Yeah.
All right, you
Yeah,
seen
it's
this shit?
Patch's
Interpret. You ready?
For that, I'll be honest.
Wait, it worked now?
You hate to see it.
But I'm still on main. That's why it worked, because I'm not on my branch.
I see. You should.
No, I am on my
close-
branch. Holy shit! What happened?
Guy lied to me.
I'm on my branch because none of my changes are there. Crazy.
Aren't
Hold
they?
up. Let me try them. Let's watch the explosion this time. Can you imagine if your computer loaded the debug faster?
What do you mean by
How
that?
fast you can debug?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the enemies don't have any outlines.
It might
Did
have
you forget-
overwrote
did
some
you-
shit.
Did you? Yeah, it looks like you did, brother.
um. I mean, I guess you could just undo the merge on your branch. Like, go to history. Top, yeah, there's, and just undo the merged main shit. Revert, yeah.
That's it?
We'll close this, but like,
Bro, what the fuck? Look what happened to my runes. What the fuck?
what the hell?
Wait, what? Let's go. Infinite level.
What the? Brand, go to your changes and like right click them.
What changes? Where?
There.
Here?
Yeah. Right click this area and just. Wait, hold up. Go to enemy. Is it undoing the shader? It is.
Oh my god, I actually have that.
Okay, hold up. Just go to all your changes and go discard and then reload.
Where?
Right click the where it says 18 change files.
Alright, so I guess I got a
Yes,
beast.
discard those. Then reload Godot.
Dude, what? This is insane.
Just reload.
You can
those.
actually become max level like right now.
That's fucked.
What the hell is going on?
I don't know, I didn't kill Patches.
You didn't kill Patches and he just gives you this much runes?
I guess so.
Not true. Alright, whatever.
Wait,
some
he
of
actually
them.
might not hit max level. There's actually he won't hit max level.
He won't. You need 1.6 billion to hit max.
99 arcane, hey?
Good, let's get it.
He's got the build. He's got the build figured
Oh,
out.
get
even.
everything to 80 first. Get everything to 80. Soft cap is 80.
For most things, yeah.
Oh, dude, he's running out of levels.
It's over. You should take some points out of 99 Arcane, perhaps.
That's crazy.
Alright.
Huge.
Oh, 558.
Massive, even. Kind of insane. What the hell? You need more
Each
than,
level is a disgusting amount now.
more
What
than
the
3
hell?
million per level is crazy.
He's Reduvian.
You can use everything.
True.
That's alright. Well, I just beat the game. You think I can one-shot the bosses now?
No,
You don't think so?
your weapons are not upgraded.
Dude, does it even matter when I have that much level, though?
100%. Weapons only do something because of their scaling.
Hmm.
Weapon
True.
level matters more than your character level.
Dude, look how much mind I have.
That's crazy.
That's what 80 mind looks like, dude.
This is just a normal amount of stamina for Jaden, though.
Oh, dude, and my flasks just does nothing. Look at this.
Holy shit. It's not even one hit worth of healing. The flasks.
Hilarious.
Man, does your shit work yet? Did you reload?
I reloaded, but I didn't hit play.
Alright.
Let's go, baby.
Okay, go to player. Sure. Level or sprite.
Oh, dude, you're so right. It actually does nothing.
I told you.
I thought it would do more than 150.
Nah.
I have fucking like
Weapon
80
level
arcane.
matters, brother. Your
That's all
level
that matters.
only matters if your weapon has level.
Barn go sprite. Like middle click it or whatever.
Yeah. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Wait,
Animated sprite 2D.
look at that. An hour, 39 minutes, 558.
Dude's so good.
And open up the player file in the top left. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just make it a unique name, I guess. Okay, that should
Yo,
fix that.
bird? Fuck off, bro.
I don't think you can parry the bird.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
say
You can
I'm
guard
gonna do
counter
that.
it though. Well, maybe you can parry that part. Oh. Well.
Dude, this is insane. Why is this bird so crazy right now? Oh, there we go.
Where am I? Why is the shit is still not here?
Alright, go back to the other thing. Yeah.
Did I not discard these?
Like, why do they keep coming back? Oh, it's because you have all these files open. Like, close all your files, then discard, and then reload. Otherwise, Godot will save these, even though there's no changes, and it'll show up over there. You can right-click and just close all, by the way. Same for the
Dude.
code.
What do
I
you
don't need
say
any
for
FP
code,
flasks, bro. I need a flask again.
Okay, then discard these. Shoot, I don't know. I just like load your shit on mine.
You wanna do what with my shit?
Why don't I just open your stuff
I don't know.
and see if it works for me?
Good idea. huge flasks.
That can't be parried. What am I thinking?
The ground?
As ground attack, of course that can't be parried.
Whoa, everything's back. Let's go. Huge.
Dude is rewriting my changes constantly.
I didn't do shit to your changes.
Dude, this game is bugged though.
What do you mean?
Cause like, why am I taking so much damage? This is the beginning of the game.
You take that much damage anyway. What do you mean?
Do you actually?
Yes. You just don't care about getting hit because your health bar is so big.
Mhm.
That's true.
I think this boss would kill you in like 3 or 4 hits, anyways. Like,
3 or
not-
4. It'd kill you in 2.
It's look, being generous, like 3 or 4.
3
If you
or
were playing
4
it
if
on-
you leveled up and didn't put anything into anything other than vigor.
Y'all should level vigor first.
What?
Y'all should level vigor first, generally.
I did.
I know you did. I'm just saying, like Brandon on a non-bugged game file. Alright, Brandon, what do we do about the death particles? Go off at the same time? Like, what do you recommend?
I never even said they go off at the same time.
That was literally you wrote that.
Nah.
What the hell you mean, nah?
I was just saying that it's ass, basically.
That's
the death
crazy.
particles.
Alright, how do we fix this then?
Make them like way smaller. Also, you don't even really need them to be crazy. You could just have like little tiny things instead of like 16 or 24 or however many you had spawn off of them. You could have like 6
Okay, it's 16 right
And-
now. Let's go 6 and try it.
and make them like super super tiny and just make it just like go in a ring instead of like randomly.
Mm,
And make them disappear way faster. Make their lifetime
Sam,
much
give me
smaller.
that shit one at a time, dog. Shut up.
You said, "How do I fix this?" So
I know, but you
gave
just
you
listed
all
like
the
10
answers.
things at once, dog. Like, how am I supposed to action
Yeah,
on
and
this?
all of them will help.
I know, but say them one at a time so I can implement them, damn it. Okay, make it so there's less and then make it smaller. How do you
Yeah.
make these smaller though? Probably this.
And make them like honestly, you don't even. I mean, you could use the skull thing, but you might just be able to get away with like not having them at all and just having like little tiny particles.
Like squares or something? Like no texture?
Maybe.
Okay, hold up. If we do no texture, the scale has to be different. Might just need to be bigger, even.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Huge. What about this,
I
Brandon?
almost died.
Okay, smaller, fewer. It's a square. What else do we need?
Make them. I said make them die faster, but that
Okay.
should probably be good. I don't know. Check it with the melee guy. I mean, we also have like. Yeah, no, that should be fine.
How do you make them die faster?
Their lifetime. There's like a lifetime thing. I don't remember where, but it definitely exists in the particles.
I do remember.
Also, did you use
there's
GPU or CPU particles?
GPU? Apparently, that's the one you're supposed to use now. Like CPU is
Yeah.
never going to be updated, is what they're
Fair.
saying. What the hell's turbulence?
Oh yeah. Also, Indy. I figured out, when you get that infinite loading character bug,
Mm-hmm.
I figured out how to fix it.
How do you fix it?
You download this like debug mod. It's like this debug app, and you put in codes 105 and 115 and enable them both,
All right.
and it just fixes it.
And then when you go to patches, it gives you 600 million runes.
Huge debug codes.
This isn't the same save though. So
It's not. What do you mean it's not the same save?
it's not the same save.
Is this like not seamless co-op?
It is.
It is. It's a different character though.
Doesn't matter. The character. What? You put the whole save file. I thought. The save file has all your characters, not just one.
It's true.
But it's on one character. It's only one character that gets bugged at a time though, so it only fixes one character.
That's not how the debug works, though. I don't think. Well, you're giving it a file. You're not giving it a character.
Yeah, Brian, it's not bad. It is.
Is it still laggy?
I don't think so. Should probably go further in though, right?
Use the melee guy. That's the one who made it
You're right.
bug.
Which one, the sword?
Yeah. That one.
Oh,
No,
like the
the blood-
melee,
the
yeah,
bloody-
the blood
blood-
hunter.
the
Okay,
blood
I
dude.
got it. You're right.
And then just make sure you upgrade your shit because you're not going to be able to kill shit at the beginning. I mean, you will eventually, but just spawn a shit ton of enemies and do it.
Bro, I'm playing. I'm gaming. Give me a second.
That's crazy. This guy got mad at me for doing this exact thing. It's insane.
Fine. I'll spawn a shit ton of enemies.
Looks fine.
I guess it probably was just the
Texture and
yeah,
the amount.
Probably. I think mostly texture. I bet I could increase the amount a lot and still be fine.
Sure,
in
do
I'll
it.
literally
make
do
it,
that in
Make
a
it
second.
certain. Like make it an obscene amount so you can see.
Yeah.
Make it like 32.
Let me. This guy thinks 32 is an obscene amount.
It's an obscene amount when you have 50 characters on the screen. 50
hold-
times 30, brother.
Let me get my attack speed plus the.
Dude even added the times. Oh, wow, look at this. He's done it. He's a genius. He's made debugging so worth it.
Before it was just me and it was fine, I guess. It's better now, for sure.
It is just you.
Yeah.
I wanted
man,
that.
Crazy. It's not lagging. Could add more enemies. I mean, it drops like a few frames from killing. But that could also just be the stupid damage numbers. I think these are fine. Let's crank this number. The only thing I don't like about restarting is you gotta get all the shit all over again. Like, there's so much
True.
exploration.
Well, I wasn't even gonna play this character. I just wanted to practice fucking parrying, and then now it's level 553. How it happens.
It's just the way it is sometimes.
I guess so.
Yeah, this is fine.
That's hilarious, bro.
What the shit I'm doing?
No, just this fucking thing. It just broke.
This thing just
You know?
broke.
This game.
Oh, yeah.
I can just do whatever I want now. I can just pick up a new weapon and just use it.
True.
It's crazy.
You could use literally anything in the game, anything in the DLC even.
Go straight there. I don't need to upgrade shit, bro.
True. I guess if you just find the Somber Smith bearings, even that'll take a while though.
Just go to the DLC. There's fucking stones everywhere.
I mean, true, but you won't be able to like 100% guarantee you can level everything.
That's true. I want to test out this Ash. I want to see what it's like. Never used this weapon actually.
I got it and then swung it around, but yeah, never used it as like a main weapon.
It's kind of like, why not now? Like, I can.
True. You could also duplicate it and get a second one. And dual wield both because you have no problem.
Like this guy. Can't parry the horse.
Probably not. It does eventually get laggy. Where is my level thing?
It was my highest level ever, bro.
That makes sense. Yeah, it would take like literally forever to get here.
Nah, dude. Literally took me 2 hours.
Crazy. Like I think to get here normally you'd have to be like new game plus 7 and then farm souls.
Yeah.
And then I don't even know what the fastest one is, like for farming. Hey, did you
Can't
know?
parry these guys.
Probably not. Did you know that they're weak to healing spells though?
Yeah.
Pretty
Brandon
cool.
was showing me.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like you do really need
I
to
mean,
level up your shit still.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
He died. He's bad. It's
I'm so
crazy. Guess you never have to worry about your souls though, because there's literally no way to level up this playthrough again.
Yeah, get all the souls in the game and fucking cook. It's my currency though. Oh, I'm gonna level all my weapons.
I guess.
I actually just can't kill her.
Why would you kill her? Just do her quest line, dog. Takes like 2 seconds and you get to Volcano Manor.
Fuck that.
Man.
It's the first time I've seen her actually.
That's wild. What's your plan with this character then? What are you doing?
Like nothing. I don't know. I guess I'll make a fucking bandit.
Why though?
Because this character is level 500.
Yeah, but like if you play in the DLC, you'll still just be to your scale. Everything will still be difficult.
The DLC, not in this.
It will. Every DLC enemy is the same level as you.
I don't know. What I'm talking about is the regular game.
Oh yeah,
Because
the
I was just gonna
regular.
practice parrying.
I mean, you can still practice parrying. It's not like your character being high level stops you from parrying.
It's just I don't have a plan now. You asked what's my plan with this character.
Damn.
I don't fucking know. It's completed. I don't know. It's level 558. What the fuck else? I don't know, but I'm actually gonna go eat. That's what I'm gonna do right now.
I have a good one.
Oh, I will. I'll be back. Love you. Don't be gay. I love you.
Oh,
Yo.
did you
Sup?
fix it?
Yeah, I think it's fine. Like, let me hold up. Like, the frames don't drop that much.
What do you mean that much?
Like, they drop because you're drawing more shit, but like 10 frames, I guess. When
Yes.
when you kill like 100 enemies. Still pretty good, is it not?
Why don't you just boost your max health? Because the damage you do is based on your max health.
Alright,
So you
true.
can instantly kill things. And then you can see.
He's right, he's right.
You.
It's this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, from 100. I guess it does drop 20 frames, but I think it's just the damage numbers spawning. Let me disable the damage numbers to see.
Can you make the damage numbers less?
Less what?
I don't know.
Just less?
Less bad?
Damn. No, probably not.
Less taxing on the economy?
No. I'm gonna say no, it's not possible. um, what if I just return here and here? Let's see if there are no damage numbers except for the player one. See if it's bad or not. I mean, if it is bad, we can just disable the numbers or add a setting to toggle them.
Yeah.
I don't know if many people. I mean, games usually have a toggle for it, anyways, right? Should do be taxing on your graphics card, I guess.
Yeah, if you have a shit graphics card, maybe.
This guy hates people who don't upgrade their shit all the time.
True. All the time being every 10 years, though.
Yeah,
Let's be specific.
pretty true. Should probably turn the thing on.
It will be looking like it still lags slightly.
100. It drops 10 frames now. We could add settings for both.
What are the particles at right now?
Just six particles, I think. Yeah, 6 particles.
Dude, it's literally just this thing, though. Like, this specific dude.
Background.
Yeah. What if you made it so it doesn't do it to, like, the range is smaller or something? Like, what's the range based off of? Because it's hitting everything on the fucking screen. It's insane.
The hell's this guy, like Blood Hunter or something?
Something like that.
It's the guy.
Or make it so, like, sequentially hits enemies instead of all enemies at the same time or something.
When your weapon does damage, it attacks all enemies.
Yeah, that's fucking wild. Can you make it so that it attacks enemies in a range? Like,
Yes. For sure, Ethan.
I mean, sorry, I know what you can. Is it easy and quick to test it right now?
Should be. I already have the code for something. I think it's the icicle spawner. Or ice magic spawner.
We could, like, we should probably add some sort of animation to it.
Just need to modify this. What if I make a method called
Actually, that could go hard if you had like a translucent blood transfusion animation from each of the enemies getting affected by it, but then that would just be more things to draw on the screen. But it would just look cool.
very true. Um, that doesn't matter. You need to take the point. Let's make it radius actually. So if the distance from the point to the enemy is less than or equal to that, add it, and just return that. It's cheaper to do or use length squared versus actually using the real length.
Sure.
This is vector math, dog.
Whatever you say.
This guy hates me. Thanks for the follow, boss. Appreciate it. Do I have a reference to the player? I do. How far away should it allow attacks? Or how far away should it hit things? How many pixels away?
How many pixels?
Yeah. You want me to just try a number and then see if it's too much or too low?
Yeah.
Also need to modify what this says. Every hit by a follower deals 1% of max health as damage to nearby enemies. Let's go with that. What's going on here? Let me reload so that the type safety shit is fixed. The type checking works. I'm back.
Well, didn't know you left.
Damn. I guess I never say, huh?
Not usually, no.
Okay, so enemies 100 pixels away from you should get hit by this. Oh, it's boss passes.
What is it at right now?
Should be 100. Oh, we disabled the damage numbers, right?
So the only way we can see it, you've disabled?
Very true. So I would do-
Perhaps.
so-
Perhaps.
so
Put it back on.
happens. So you should make multiple changes at once, dog.
Yeah, I don't know why you changed that.
Listen, guy feeding me multiple ideas at once. After this, we only have some minor. Okay, well, pretty major, but in my opinion, kind of minor things.
Like,
The collision shit.
I'm telling you, you should just make it hit you slightly backwards and then give you iframes.
It's not that easy.
It actually is.
Nah, it's not that easy.
Contrary to your belief, it is actually easy.
100 pixels away. I feel like that's not far enough, right?
No, definitely not.
Like double it, maybe?
And give it to the next person?
I hate this guy. Let's try 250 maybe. What a great intro cutscene or whatever logo.
Intro cutscene, baby.
That decent. It's not bad. Right?
Just make it scale with weapon range.
That is a pretty smart idea. That's actually really good. Okay. Do I have a way to get... I can just get it. I'll just take the average, right?
The average?
Because each weapon has a different range, right?
True.
Do I just call it weapon range? Yeah. It's not count as its size. Yeah. And then just use the average range. Should we put something in the description of the class about that, or
Yeah, probably like scales with that. I think that would help, probably.
What am I doing here? Backgrounds. um. Deals 1% of max health as damage to enemies within range.
Something like that.
I think that's fine. Okay. Okay, so at base it's 172. Okay. And if I randomly get weapons, what happens? It's already at 258. Okay. And unlikely, but if I get like 100 weapon range passes, that's pretty big. 1200. Okay. Like 1200 is the whole screen, but it takes a while to get there. Right?
Kinda crazy.
Because that would be 4%. That's literally 4x, right?
4%?
Yeah, it's literally 4 times this, right? About that, probably. Probably, well, I mean, not exactly, but it's 4% per range up, right? For 100, and since they're not multiplicative, it should only be 400% more, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Technically, it's less space than it was before, even at the max.
Still lags like a motherfucker.
Should I take the... Well, okay, hold up. This is with like an impossible setup. You're not gonna get 100 range up stock.
Endless mode, baby.
Oh my, this guy's balancing for endless mode that we don't have yet.
No, but like, also, this is the only class that has this issue.
Mm-hmm.
You can have like a quadrillion fucking explosions and shit, and nothing happens. So I don't know why it matters.
Alright, let's run it back.
Like, I can have way more things on the screen at the same time. It's just doing a weird thing where, like, I don't think it's an FPS lag. I think it's a logic lag. Because everything has to happen, all the damage calculations have to happen prior to anything else happening. Is what it feels like, at least.
We can just check for that. This does have a profiler.
Yeah, I don't even know what that means, but
This guy's never profiled his codes.
No, I don't code.
That's crazy.
Nothing to profile if I don't code.
True. Very true. It just like hold up. Just make this smaller slightly. Let's get this guy on the desert. Max weapons. Invincible. I'm lost. Is weapon range not a... Oh, it's just called weapon range. 100 weapon ranges and then 200 health ups. And like spawn cap of 150, I think. Yeah, it's about as laggy as it should be. Okay, and then over here in debugger, profiler, could be whatever. Let's try it regular. Turn that on. Cause some lag. Okay.
Pause some lag is crazy.
And then turn that off. Biggest spikes are like right here. Mostly from processing or physics. Feels like it shouldn't be a physics issue really, but projectile physics process, enemies process, status effect manager. It's a bunch of processing functions which like have to run regardless.
Mm-hmm.
Is it just the process that's messed up? Like there is a function that should be called when you take damage. What's the damage number? This is the highest frame, right? Okay, there's an attack being created. Okay, hold up. 118 here. 48, 37. Okay, here's the actual peak. What the hell's flushed queries? That's like half the time. And then you're right, taking damage does take a lot of time. Let's check the character. Spelled this shit wrong. Insanely wrong even.
What?
Spelled character insanely wrong. Okay, so it takes damage. What?
What? I
No.
said love that for you.
No, damn. Does it say what things apply damage effects? Is that the worst? Apply target attack effect. This method here. Processing is whatever. Okay, let's go into here. Just calls this, which just calls this, which may or may not be applied. So it wouldn't be this doing it. It wouldn't be debuff. No, because we don't even have that. That's just calling that. Wait, so why is this taking so much time if... Oh, it's because we have like 200.
Like, okay. I don't know how to fix this specifically. Like this, like it taking a lot of time. But another way could potentially be taking the damage that's calculated and just applying it to everything around instead of recalculating the damage each time. I don't know if that's already what's happening.
Like it has to do these calculations, right? Like I can't... I guess you could cache them, but like... I mean, the other thing is we could just move it to like C# code and it might be faster.
I don't know.
Just have to figure out how to
Maybe.
do that. Actually, maybe this isn't an issue. Because it would take this many milliseconds, right? But it's not per call, right?
Is it not per call?
If it was that many milliseconds per call times 147 calls. Let me just check this.
That's 10 seconds. That's over 10 seconds.
That's 20 seconds. Yeah, so it would not be that. Right? It would be that's like 1 millisecond a call. That's fine. I think it might be this that's taking a bunch of time then. Like this and start enemy contact. They're only called once. Shit, it's confusing. Wait, inclusive. Okay, let's go self actually. Yeah, so that makes sense, right? That would be the time it takes for this whole function to execute. 147 times, so still, that's not that bad. Right? 0.2 times 147. That's like... How many milliseconds is that? Like 2? Under 3?
What?
This is the actual time taken by that function.
Yeah.
That many. So it's that much times 147, right? But does that mean other things are now worse? Like whatever the hell. No, none of that shit is bad. Physics 2D flush queries. Why does that take a while? It's only called once, but like it's bad. Okay, hold up. Let me check one more thing. The merge and the shaman use that.
Is this each call of this function, though?
It is, yeah, now it's each call. Before it was like how long that function takes. What is this? Wait, inclusive? Inclusive is time from other functions that get called as a result of
But
this.
is this like every time an enemy takes damage then?
It's not, it's because of the not every time, it's because of the blood hunter.
Oh, it's like
Like when this does damage, right?
Is it only called once? It is, right?
The Blood Hunter itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this function gets called once, right? It just creates an attack on every enemy in like around you, right?
Individually or like at the same time?
Like no, like individually.
So like each time, like it calls it. Oh my god.
Yeah,
So
so
does
if
it
there's
call it every?
it calls
Huh?
it once per enemy around you, like once for each enemy. So if there's 50 enemies, there'll
Yes.
be
Can you
50.
not like just cache the damage
Um,
instead of attacking each enemy? Can't you just cache the damage and apply the damage so you don't have to make the calculation each time?
you can't because each enemy could have its own separate effects on it, right? So it could be different amounts of damage per enemy. Like this part technically shouldn't change
Wait, how?
because an enemy. Okay, like what if one enemy has bleed and another has poison or something, right? Or like shatter or something.
Yeah.
Then they would take different amounts of damage, right? Based on those effects that they have.
Interesting.
Like the status effects will change that calculation. Um, is there a way to like duplicate this maybe? Like what's the cost of creating a new, like instantiating a class? Probably not that much, right? Can you search this? Hmm. Like it doesn't show. Hmm. Okay, hold up. This calculation technically can be a constant. Well, not a constant, but just outside, even though it is a constant. But I can't just make this a constant because there are things that modify like instances of this class, you know?
Kinda.
Unless there is. Like basically, once you create an attack, right? There will be things that can modify these values, right? Because
Mhm.
I mean, because you just have the memory address, right? Like you can just modify parts of this object. So if I use the same one and pass it down, it'll be faster, but it like will be super incorrect.
Interesting.
I mean, let's try this. Maybe it's like slightly faster. Also, what's this frame over here? 96. Flushing queries takes forever. I wonder what that even means though. And then take damage has a bunch of calls again. But if you look at per call, it's pretty quick still. Probably a lot of the utilities can be written in like a faster language. Or let me try something else. If you go, there's a map function, right? I wonder if this is actually faster. Hopefully this isn't faster, but I've seen like languages where this is the case and it's annoying.
I mean, hopefully it's not faster.
Like if this is an issue, it affects a lot of things in the system.
No.
Let me just run it back. Max the weapons, 150. Make the player invincible. We need health. 2 health, right? And weapon range. Okay. Didn't turn on the profiler. Should be 1 spike, should be 2 spikes. Okay. Stop this. Go back like here just to check. Okay, 154. Yeah, this is the big one. But let's go self. If I go down to 48,000 calls. And this is probably the one on 187. So I think it's actually worse like this. Okay.
Let's go. That's what we wanted.
That is what we wanted. That's good. Okay. So it's still fine to use 4s. I mean, then, if this is an issue, it could be because over here, right, passives applying that thing means that you need to go, okay, 1 level deeper and call this, which calls that on a bunch of actual effects. Could rewrite this whole thing.
That's crazy.
It probably wouldn't even be that different. It's just C#. Like it's not a tough language or anything.
It's crazy difficult.
It's not. It's just Java. This is Java, but like easier even.
Whoa, wrong. Wrong.
That's okay. That we need. I mean, this is technically faster than what we had before anyways, so there's that.
Huge, I guess.
Double clicked. Should we just add the setting to make it so that you can toggle these things? Or should we just leave it for now?
Just leave it for now.
I mean, let's check the math. To get a, I guess enemy spawner. Check this. Okay, so you start at 10. And you go up by... Okay, if you have no... let's say at most you go up by 4 per wave. At most. Okay, but 4 per wave. Let's look at like a level. The desert, for example. So, you'd go up 4 here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Okay, 44 at the end of the last boss. And then let's say you kill it instantly. That should be... so that's 2 minutes, 4 minutes. These are 5-minute chunks, let's say. Except for the last one, which is faster. Last one's 3 minutes. So 5. This will be 18 minutes. And then it'll be 2 more. So 52 is the max capacity that you'll get added. 62 is the max you'll be at in our current game.
Okay.
And I was testing at 160 or 150. So I think we'll be fine.
Right.
I mean, okay, let's simulate it at 62? See what that looks like. And if it's fine, then we're moving on. Okay. Let's max my weapons. Make me invincible. Starts at 10. We just need to add 60, I guess. So let's go. Can at 2, whatever. 2 of these and 1 weapon range. Again, these are all, well, some of these values you can't get anyways. But with that, a kill drops you 2 frames, brother. I think we're fine.
Did you fix it?
I didn't do anything. I just tested it at realistic like levels. So in endless mode, it'll still be like shitty, but that might be an endless mode issue that we can resolve later. Yeah,
And right now it's scaling with weapon range as well, right?
yes.
But you just maxed it because we're testing.
Yep. So again, we're still in a scenario that people are not going to get to.
Right.
And even then, it's fine. With small particle effects and damage numbers. Should we tweak the particle effects anymore or just leave it? I guess we can add lighting to them later, right?
For what?
Like, you know how, like on your branch, I mean. You can make them glow or something if you want.
The enemies?
No, the particles, the death particles.
Nah.
Nah, you're not
That's
gonna
cool.
do it, or?
I was just gonna leave it.
Okay.
What's wrong with it?
Might be fine.
I feel like they don't need to like light up if they die.
Alright, very true. Should we make them red or something?
No.
Alright. White is fine, you're fine with them? This is it?
I don't know what else to do with them, honestly. I think
Alright,
it's
fair.
fine.
Right now, I just made them so they start like a little bit big and then shrink, and I think that's the only difference. Yeah, I think we're fine. What did I actually change? All these files with no changes kind of suck ass. Let's say added helper function. Instead of enemy, what I do? Oh, just renabled death particles, or just tweaked them. I think here. Removed a weight here. When you die, that's fine. And then added range cutoff. Alright. That's that. Death particles go off at the same time. Whack wording. Death particles cause lag is what I call it. I'll change it to. Merge that. Delete that. Okay. Now we just have like technically 3 things to do, but only 2 of those are bugs, and 1 thing I need to do anyways but didn't put in anywhere. Except for this bug ticket. Okay, let's try the let's check the goldfish thing.
The goldfish thing.
Yeah.
Oh, also they don't outline during their animation either. Attack animation for the fisherman.
Yeah, but that's just on your branch, right?
I mean, yeah.
We will fix all that stuff when we, I guess next week probably.
Crazy.
Goldfish. Yeah, no, there's shit to change on yours anyways. It's fine to do later.
Like make it work.
Yeah, make it work. Update all the particles. Should I add that to a ticket actually? Like foreground, background maybe. I'll just add it. Fix animations, I guess. Animation outlines. Adjust particles for each weapon. Okay. For the goldfish. I mean, let me just run the game. Did I change the version already? Yeah. I feel like goldfish might be one of the few enemies that actually do bump you, by the way.
They don't.
What do you mean they don't?
They stop you from moving, but they don't bump you.
No, I mean like that's the only ones that like can collide with your player, right?
I mean, it's like one of like 3 enemy types.
Yeah, like any melee enemies you can like actually walk into. The goldfish you do, but I feel like you shouldn't. Might be just melee.
Oh, is Jaden back?
Sounded like he was
Yeah.
back.
Look at this guy being back and shit.
I said, hey.
He did.
Did not hear that.
Said something. I mean, should I just... I'd rather just remove the bumping. Like, the ability to collide with them. Because it just makes it, like, tougher to do anything, you know?
Yeah.
Let me just turn it off.
Just, do the thing I said.
Bro, the thing you said only affects one enemy type. That shouldn't even bump you in the first place.
Make all enemies hit you. What the
I
hell?
know, but like, why? It just makes the game
Why?
tougher for no reason.
No, it doesn't.
Like,
Immersion, brother. Immersion.
But what are you talking about? If every enemy can bump you, that means you're not gonna be able to move most of the time.
Bro. Oh my god. And then give you iframes! Which means you can walk through enemies for a limited amount of time.
That's not what the hell iframes are, dog.
They are when you're not dying as well. You take no damage and you stop being affected by collision.
Doing the opposite of spitting right now.
Dude,
What does one-way collision mean?
Dude's gonna make me boot up like a real game.
Do what you want. You have to boot up a game of our type. Brotato, alright. Doesn't Brotato just have less enemies per...
Why the fuck does that matter? I don't want to install it. I just want to play it.
That's crazy. No controller and he's trying to play.
Could be you.
My controller, I have a controller, so it's not plugged in.
Brotato going brazy though for
Good game. Wow, it's made in Godot. That's crazy.
Real. They never changed it. Oh shit, they just added another one. Should we have our original Godot one and then just have our one after it? I don't know. We could. I could
don't know,
enable it.
Let's just grab the normal dude, I guess. I kill things too fast. So this just does damage to you over and over again.
But do you actually feel like you're stopping when
No,
you're
no,
going
no.
to them?
This one. Huh?
Do you feel like you're actually getting touched by enemies? Like, do they block your movement at all?
No, no, no.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I don't want enemies to block movement. I'm fine if they do touch damage. Like, that we can add.
Do they not currently?
No, they currently do not do touch damage. They
Well,
just
some of
block
these
your
enemies
movements.
only do damage if they, like,
If they
touch you.
touch
That's
you?
the whole point of this. Yeah.
That's fair. Okay, I'm fine with adding that to every enemy. And then giving you iframes anyways, which you already have. Like, that makes sense. That's easy to do. But I
No,
don't
but
want...
The
you
other
to stop.
question is, do you? Because we have enemies that do something. No, that's the whole point.
Generally,
They
they
only do
do. Yeah.
They only do
don't
damage when they do something. Are there enemies that do damage when you don't touch? What? Are there enemies that do damage on touch?
In our game?
Yeah.
Every enemy will just launch an attack at you when you get close enough, usually. There aren't any that only touch you.
Interesting.
I mean, we could add touch damage to everything. I don't know if it would be
don't
better
know.
or not.
And I mean, I guess you could change the color of the death particles. I don't.
What the
I'd have to play it. I'd have
The-
to play it.
Delayed ass question response.
I'd have to play it. You piece of garbage.
Oh,
Incarnate.
what? What the hell?
You're a piece of garbage. Is what I just called you.
What was the last word? Carnate? What the?
Incarnate.
Incarnate. All right, you got me. Look at this. You could just walk through everything and like. And I mean, the goldfish AI is that like they will eventually come back for you.
Eventually.
Yeah, like they try to hit you. If they do whatever, you take the damage. Then they'll go somewhere else and then come back. You know?
Crazy. What's one where I can get hit and not die right away?
I'm gonna take it off the damn
None of them.
melee enemy too, dog.
Oh, you move enemies out of the way. That's what you should add. Add collision to everything, but you push enemies out of the way. That's the one. That's the one. That's how you do it. Vampire Survivors figured it out.
Move.
You take damage on touch, but you can also push enemies out of the way.
Is that easy to do? Is that something that should be easy to do? Well, let me see.
I feel like it should be easy to do.
Bro, your ass is not. Let's say your ass is not. um. Let me see if melee enemies still work if I take this off. Can you always push enemies? Is there no enemy that cannot be pushed?
I don't think so.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure all enemies can be pushed. Like maybe bosses can't be. I would assume in our game.
Okay, let me see what this feels like real quick. No, it's fine without collisions. Okay, let's. How does something move something in this game? Is there a special way to push things?
Oh my fucking god! I have to do so much work with the sound, bro. It's so bad.
Brother, that's what it's like.
Oh my god! It's so much. It's so much. There's so much. There's so many sounds, dude. There's so...
Very true. Not untrue even. Make that shit disabled by default. How do you make a pushable block? Push.
I feel like we don't need an enemy death sound. I'm gonna be honest.
Perhaps. How do you push other character body 2Ds? What the hell? Mm-hmm.
Or I guess another thing that we can do to make it more impactful is like add collision to like we maybe don't need collision on like the character, but add collision to like the projectiles you shoot, like add knockback maybe to like melee weapons maybe should like have more knockback or like knockback always is what I mean.
I know what you mean, but we can. That's actually easier to add because I already have it mostly. Just certain weapons enable it, certain don't. Most don't actually. Let's go.
Like explosions, I feel like definitely should as well. You know.
I know what you mean. Yeah. I do be known. What are the other enemy types?
Oh, did you when you said the explosion changes? Were you talking about the shit I added in the comments?
The comments I didn't add yet,
Oh, okay.
but like I just made it so that as it expands, it does damage instead of just once. Yeah, and it should
Yeah.
not. It really
And
shouldn't.
they're gonna play some Minecraft if anybody wants to join.
Fine.
But y'all look like you doing your thing. I just wanted to offer it.
Thank you for the offer.
Yeah,
Fishermen are invincible when they do their attack.
very true.
Aren't
That's
they?
on purpose.
Okay.
Can't kill a man when he's fishing. What the hell? Just rude.
Yes, you can. What the fuck?
Extremely rude behavior.
In my head. No, I'm not putting my phone in.
Hmm. All right, should be like
Really,
easy even, but let me just check something real
What
quick.
are you going to play?
see if I can add some mods.
View owners.
Mods.
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 Their collider is not disabled. Wait,
Huh?
how come
Why?
birds don't?
These are fun.
I'm with mods.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add mods to your
You can-
Eternos Minecraft
In this
server
video.
using
You can get
the
it.
launcher. So the first thing
Yeah.
you want to do is go to eternals.org and sign into your account, and then select the server you want to use. Once you're
Very
on
good.
this page, we're going to scroll down, and the first thing we're going to be changing is the software because it's currently on vanilla. So click on change. Then under software Java edition, we're going to scroll down until we see Forge at the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and select it. Now, I'm going to Forge on one.
Just the type of,
select that. Install in the temporary folder.
Yeah.
Once it's finished, you should get a green check mark indicating it's been loaded, and then you'll see on the left sidebar we now have a mods folder. So I'm going to select it. Now here's where you can find mods to add to your server, or you can search for them. We're going to be adding Journey Map to our server though. So I'm going to click on it. Then under versions, Journey Map 1.20.4, I'm going to click the green download button, and it should really take a second to load.
Sexy.
Left side, you can go to options. Now, after options, we're
My
going
favorite
to
game
What does
outside of
bleed
those two.
actually do?
and you want to ensure that
I'll be real with you. I don't know what
it's
most
not,
effects
it
do.
won't work at all. So make sure that's turned on.
They're very cryptic in the way Richard designed them.
Very true.
If you hover something with bleed, you'll see it.
Probably Spider-Man.
I mean, I
Yeah.
know, but like, it's like,
It just makes it so you can get crit, I guess.
Probably look in the living room. It's probably there.
So like birds should collide, but I think I just disabled it in code for some reason.
So you know how to do mods.
Is it in the van?
I freaking did. Why did I do this?
I can get in now. Did you do all the things already?
Yeah, you can go.
We made our own world. Am I still wearing my armor?
It's fine. Wandering enemies should still collide.
What?
Group enemies shouldn't collide with their
Your thing.
instance.
What?
Why do you get to? Why do you get to enchant?
Well, I showed you how, but you need levels, right?
Grabbing enemies will leave.
But once it happens,
I gave you all the stuff to enchant. You were able to enchant. You just don't have any levels. But you stop dying. A good way to level up is
wait, is that our girl? That's our girl right there.
it's Melania or Melina. Sorry,
Because Melania
he's a boss.
is a boss. The last boss.
No, he's not the last boss. You don't even have to fight her actually to beat the game.
Really? You
Yeah.
don't even have to.
You don't have to. It's optional.
You get to make your options in the game.
Sometimes.
But sometimes you gotta follow the game rules.
Well, it depends on what you want to do. If you want to beat the story, you have to
Beat Malay.
Okay.
No, you don't have to beat her to beat the story. That's why she's optional. She's not a story boss.
If you want to beat the story, don't beat Melania. If you want to beat the story,
No. You can beat her after you beat the story, or you can beat her before you beat the story. It's up to you.
Okay.
Did we do the healer fix yet or no? Or is that after as well?
In
Brother,
Minecraft,
that's not
I
even a
actually
bug
found
fix.
a beehive and I wanted to break it.
Do you want me to
but,
put that as a bug? We can fix it.
But
I feel like it is a bug,
Kenzie's
no?
little sister said to me,
Is it not a
"Don't
bug or is
break
it a
it, or
balance?
you'll get
It's a
killed by
balance,
bees."
but like,
It's what we intended, but it's too strong for what
I
we
know that.
want.
I guess.
Whatever, I'll put it in as a bug ticket. We can just do it today or tomorrow. We are nearly done anyways. Just want to see something.
This is the part when she kills you.
No.
No, that's not the part when she kills you, and then she brings you back alive.
No.
And he kills you, and then he kills you. And then she makes herself kill herself.
What's an upgrade? So where
Oh, you're feeding.
How much food I got? Okay. So I
I
got
thought we could go mine it.
366.
We can go mine.
Why can we not?
We can.
What?
We can.
We can't?
We can.
We can't.
I'm just feeding the cows first.
We can go mine.
Why can't we?
Okay.
That's so tough.
Okay.
The house finished?
Okay. What is
Yes.
the door? What is the door?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the door?
Oh, dude,
Okay, let's go.
40,000 hit points, dude.
Oh wait,
Might be
I need
unkillable
gravel.
now.
Pretty strong.
Trevor.
Gravel.
Do I everything that I got on HP, or do I?
Minecraft is kind of. It's kind of complicated.
Can do.
I'm just swimming. I'm swimming, and I'm swimming.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's go. I'm waiting for you. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
What about balance at 1313? 1316. Not that.
Dum, 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 dum. I'm coming.
Nigga, where's my stick? I don't know what's going
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming.
So when the runes needed amount is red, does that mean I don't have enough? But when it's white, that means I have enough.
Sounds good.
Oh, you have an enchanted sword. I only have normal iron swords. 2 of them.
What about the 1416?
One kind of broken one, and mostly full. Filled up.
Cool.
Okay.
The board and they carry like majority of the time.
Melania was your favorite boss.
Yep.
That was really hard to make. I mean, fight.
Yeah, it was hard to fight.
But you still liked her because you gives her helmet. Why can you not wear her helmet?
Huh?
Why can you not wear her?
What do you mean?
Can you wear her helmet?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't think you get it. Oh yeah, you can wear a helmet. You want to?
You just don't wear it.
It's
Why do you not
over.
wear
I
it?
got the damage
Because I don't
scaling
wear a
buff.
helmet.
I win.
You don't wear a helmet?
Which
Oh,
damage
then why do you
scale?
want to say
Every
Like,
kill
we can
increases
wear
your
a
damage
helmet.
by 1%.
It's pretty strong.
It's actually
Maybe I didn't
over,
know.
bro. I can't lose.
Maybe I didn't know you could. I don't know.
Did you bring torches? I think I did. I brought them. And no, I didn't bring them. Where'd you go? Oh, there. Redstone torches.
Nigga, where's my horsey?
Okay. Check the player's movement real quick.
I'm snowballing, baby.
Move and collide.
Dude, this is some crazy, maybe FPS lag I'm getting.
There's another creeper.
Oh, there's a creeper there.
You can listen to the station.
Let's just pass in velocity.
You go defeat the creeper. I'll get the iron. I'll do it.
How to movement input just gets you the velocity.
Kinda dark.
Normal times the
Wait, give
You
me
get the iron?
speed modifier.
You get the
times
iron?
Delta.
Yeah, I got it.
There's more up here.
Ooh, I found diamonds! And I'm mining them.
Did you find diamonds?
I did, and I just mined them. Ooh, gold!
Nice.
I'm lucky right now.
There you go.
I'm lucky.
Did you grab that iron?
No. Because I got too distracted by the gold and
Diamond.
diamond. Yeah.
Okay.
I love those videos. Okay. I got lapis. I have lapis. Diamonds. Back up. I can get back up. Get back on my feet. Come on, gotta make changes. Keep getting out the barely sleep. Anyway,
I'm behind you.
there's a skeleton behind you.
Yeah.
Oh, I found more gold. Found more gold. There's a skeleton. Got 2 hits. Whoa. I just found so much gold. Bro, this is awesome. This is the most gold that I've ever found.
Come on.
Yeah. You should look at yourself. There's like a bunch of
Arrows in me.
I have a bow and arrow. Getting ready to hit. Oh. Bob weren't that active. Yeah, I just lost. Oh, gold. Gold.
Let's go. Just one-shotting the boss. Huge.
Huge.
Oh no. Where is all this gold coming from? I'm spending lots of gold. There's- Okay, you gotta come help. You gotta come help. You gotta come help.
Bro, the invisible box
Get
is
on.
back.
The box?
So
Yeah,
much.
the boxes are back. I don't know what to do about
gotta
the
know
boxes, brother.
Oh my gold.
I wonder what the boxes are.
I don't-
Behind you.
But that wasn't. Oh yeah, that's the gold. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
That's fine. Up.
What?
Up.
Up.
I'll come find you inside.
Okay, right here where this bow and arrow is, and this tool and the lava. Oh.
The
Another
particle,
spawner.
the particles on the black hole.
That
Kind
is
of
it.
funny.
It's in the chest.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, wait, hold on a second.
They count as a projectile. They can't move.
Why is everything a projectile?
It keeps things consistent, brother.
Yeah, consistently bad.
You guys never heard of inheritance? It's so scuffed.
Why is a stationary object a projectile if it's not like
Got so much
exiting
damage.
anything? It just appears and then disappears.
Look at my inventory.
Listen, sometimes this is like that.
Yeah, in our game only.
Shut up.
There's a bunch of things in
Dude, these
Okay.
bosses are fucking nothing. Look at them.
Now where
They're
are
dead.
you?
Dead.
Kind of-
Absolutely fucking dead.
Oh, you're at the back.
Like every game has weird things,
Bruh,
brother.
I
This is how
Okay.
games are.
steak and it's
You're right. Ours has boxes that appear randomly on the screen.
You caused that shit. Don't put that on me. Bro,
Pause it,
Why
dude.
don't
they
you
were
ever
already
bring food?
there.
it only
No,
happens
no.
on your branch.
They were already there.
I don't believe him.
I didn't add boxes. What the fuck are you talking about?
Dude, I added boxes for fun.
I'm gonna box you.
thick, dude. Okay,
That's crazy.
my iron
What the hell does this mean,
pickaxe
dog?
is in the
Knockback. What the
Ah.
Apply knockback. When is this used? If knockback. Okay.
on here.
I feel like the damage numbers should probably like
Hey,
appear in front of the explosions, but that is not what's happening.
They appear behind everything, maybe. I don't know. Or your explosions are so lit up, it's hard to see.
Yeah, I need to turn it down
You go.
for sure.
I'm right here. I'm just doing some.
Can I get like a normal? Oh, I can get a normal. Times that by like
Oh,
100.
yeah.
Is that
I miss when I was doing like 4 billion damage per hit. That was crazy.
I'm kind of explode.
Rodrika.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
It might be nice.
When you said your inventory's full.
Dude, my pickup range is so nice and big.
True.
It's crazy. Oh, I wonder if the explosion for Big Farter should be directly associated with pickup range. That'd be kind of cool.
Perhaps. Or pickup type, or yeah, either anything.
Well, just the range of it, I was saying. Like the explosion size, I should say.
Oh.
would scale with your pickup range.
You
Could
Not be
cool.
identical to, just scale with. I mean, it could be identical to. That could be cool too. I don't know.
When it's nighttime, we should go kill things so you can get levels to enchant.
Bro, I gotta know. What the hell's a normal? Anybody know what a normal vector is?
Not night.
It's the one perpendicular to the base.
Is that what I want? Is that maybe that's not what
I
I
don't know.
want.
You asked me what a normal was.
I
I'm
know,
pretty
and
sure
then
that's what it is.
I don't think you're wrong. I just don't know what the hell. I don't know how to use that.
once I got enough levels, then I can enchant.
It's like whatever
Like
the
this
face.
one level
like
that you're
the-
missing.
I don't know. If you have a plane, the normal is the perpendicular vector facing up, I guess. Or yeah. The positive direction, I think.
It's so scuffed. Math is scuffed as hell, dog.
Yeah, I fucking hate it. And I hate how much math you have to do in coding, and then I hate coding, so it's like damn.
Oh, it's
Double whammy.
Game dev requires
oh.
a lot of vector math, actually.
So much vector math. It is the worst.
Kind of crazy. Hey yo, dude, kind of sliding off me. In a way,
Dude sliding off you?
he's kind of moving. He's being pushed by me even.
Oh, that's what you mean. Okay.
Go in the house. Are you in the house? Are you in the house?
This could be the move, right? Is this it, Brandon? Is this what we want?
Hold up. I need to go see.
I should make him move more.
Yes,
probably.
but like so much. Like it shouldn't stop your movement though.
Why is this guy unpushable? He's insane. He's so heavily built.
Oh. 3W.
True.
Hard game. Hard game.
Hmm. Yeah, why do melee
Alright.
enemies not move? They have a player collider. It is a circle. It's not disabled. They are supposed to collide with players. Maybe the player needs to collide with them. Put him on melee enemies as well. Let's try this.
Nigga said breathe, nigga. I literally just. Help me. Oh.
Hmm. Hmm.
How low is the boss spawn thing at? Like what's the percentage?
It's very low. It's like 1% or something. Or it's 0.1%.
It's you know, having it.
The taser's a gun?
Technically, yeah.
I guess that makes sense in a way. Does the taser do damage? It does, right?
Very little, yeah. It's mostly for stunning. I wonder how Vampire Survivors does
and
it.
don't give up. Behold.
Like, how do they
Yeah.
code it? Or
Like
because
what?
like your movement speed gets like nothing actually affects it. You just keep going, except for you just take damage.
Like this push is done, but it's not smooth. I guess I could smooth it.
Is it not smooth? I thought it was.
Doesn't look well. I don't know if you're watching, but it doesn't feel. Let me just try smoothing it. Actually, that could be the move.
Only one gun has a character model.
Possibly, yeah. I didn't add the other ones Denise sent. I gotta add them still. What if I add this to it?
You
And blame me.
Oh, never mind. I think this is like decently smooth for some of the enemies.
For sub.
Yeah, any enemy that tries to hit you directly has issues still. Like I need to do a bit of debugging. And then melee enemies can't move for some reason.
Huge.
telling you, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
massive
here.
even.
Here.
But look at these fish. I can move them out of the way so easily.
Dude's a big fisherman guy.
That should also affect bosses, I believe.
It shouldn't. Or maybe it should. I don't know.
I feel like it should. Like if a boss is
Maybe the
pushing you,
contact. Maybe you should have like huge contact damage though if you touch a boss. Because I feel like it's you
Nah,
shouldn't just be able to like walk through them. You know.
he immediately trapped me. It's
That's
crazy.
crazy. It's wrong. It's so wrong.
All right. I'm hitting the wall. fine.
You got pushed outside the wall.
No, I got pushed into the wall repeatedly.
Huge.
At some point, I was running into the alien boss for a bit until he ran into me a lot.
He pushed you.
Yeah. Let me just crank this. Let me just keep adding zeros until it works.
That's how it works. for sure. How many weapons are you supposed to have with all the upgrades? 7?
7 weapons. Hmm. I could do it this way, but isn't there a better way to do this? Perhaps like an apply impulse method or something? Hmm. No. What the hell's this?
I thought I was supposed to be able to take 2 passives. What? I'm so lost.
Is that what it is? Wait, go to your scroll your guy. Hover him.
Oh no, I'm so dumb.
He's cooked.
Hilarious. I did not read. Reading is hard.
Yeah. Move and collide.
It's already 9. Wow.
Could have save margin. False bigger margin.
I want to fast.
I think guns might be better
It's
if their
bedtime.
overall fire rate was like it started twice as fast. Everything else is just better right now.
When I saw your screen,
I might write
saw
that
my
down. I
name.
might forget it right now.
You're gonna forget it right now?
I'm focused on something else, brother. I'm already forgotten it.
Crazy.
3 feet the cow too.
Zombies!
Let's just make that value high. False and something bigger.
Oh, zombie. Where did the zombies go?
It probably died. It's sun.
Well, I guess I was leveled already. By doing nothing. Okay, let's go far. I'm gonna do the wheat first. Carrots, then the apple. I think you should make a swimming pool. Like a swimming pool.
Well, don't do that with sword.
Yes.
Then I
Just find your place in the docket.
Don't do it with any tools.
No matter where you are in your world.
Yeah.
Why?
Think you'll break more. And your tools break faster. If you use tools for what they're not supposed to do, they break faster.
That's 10,000. Oh, what are we doing? Oh my god, what are we doing? Oh my god, what are we doing? Oh my god, what are we doing? Oh, what are we doing? Oh, what are we doing? Damn it, oh my god.
My pooper is great and long, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, Google Gore. Google Gore. Google Gore.
I wish they could make TVs. I wish they had TVs in Minecraft.
TVs.
Yeah,
They have what?
TVs.
like block ones.
Like
You know,
personal
block
bets?
TVs.
No,
Block
not personal
TVs,
best.
and then,
Bro.
like-
What the hell are you talking
And
about?
then people can
TVs.
actually log
Peanut
some
butter?
things in Minecraft,
Televisions.
and then it has a
What?
whole thing
Televisions,
together.
you
And
know?
then I also wish
PV. I
things
thought you
were-
said P. I thought you said PB.
Dude, what is that
there was
even? Why would
chairs
they-
in Minecraft.
Who the hell?
I don't know that. Why do you think I was?
So
confused?
wish that
Just that one.
there'd be tables in Minecraft. But instead you just have to make them.
Hmm.
told y'all. I told y'all. I told y'all. Okay, I'm gonna actually go put some things in the chest. True. Go! Things in the chest. Tools in the chest. And you put tools in the chest right now. On the mountain, I see down below. It's easy to lose your self-control. I hear what you're shouting. I'm
Yeah.
deaf to your show. It's easy to lose your self-control. Everybody gets high, everybody gets low. That big compassion tall up on the mountain, it's can be. It's easy to lose your self-control.
Yeah, I don't think it's this boss is the problem. I think it's just when you touch a wall, you keep touching the damn wall and it doesn't let you move.
Really?
I don't know why it would be that though. Like it seems like it's that. Let me check the walls on the levels. The desert even.
Why can't I banish shields? That's my question.
I don't know. Design decision probably.
No, it's a. You better go back inside. Or else thunder.
It's the wall and it collides with a player.
Can you die now? Can you die right now? Because there's no rain coming down from this point.
Oh, I can't die.
Are you just hanging in the mini pool?
Pet Sequoia.
Oh, she loves not probably not as much as she loves me though. She loves me Google X 1 2 3 code 1 2 3 XXX a million hundred
A million
Hundred,
hundred is so
hundred.
fair.
Crazy.
That's how much he loves me. I know. How much do you think he loves you?
I
This
think
idiot boss with a million debuffs. Look at this shit.
He loves me a lot because I just told you.
Dude, bullying the bosses for no reason. Crazy.
for you.
If I don't bully them, who will?
So much bruises on myself. So much bruises on my leg. Oh, he wants to like that. Oh, okay. She's your baby.
Oh wait.
Here's what I'm saying.
What if I just made a touching body
Okay,
keep
no.
moving? And turned off all this shit.
Hello, dude. Pretty close to not. I think it's pretty close to not.
For what?
Indeed, I love your self-compose. Everybody gets high, everybody gets low. Like and compose. Can't hear what I can't hear what you're shouting. I'm deaf to your show. It's easy to lose yourself. Gotcha, I know.
The animation for the earth magic goes pretty sick though. Like the one that makes the ground whatever.
Here,
Nice.
it can go backwards.
Oh, this is so cooked, dude. I think it's just the walls.
And then you could just lay
The
while
walls
you're
are doing it to me, bro.
Put your
Yeah, look at it.
Cool.
God damn it. Okay, what's the real fix
the
to
sun
this
is setting. We should probably get to bed.
then? If I just made the wall bigger or something?
I'm in bed. One,
The wall
two,
bigger, like thicker?
three.
Yeah.
That actually might work.
Like maybe it's because you're half in a wall or something? I don't know.
I think that's probably exactly why.
Just shout it. Back to your soul. Everybody gets high, everybody gets low. Life can reset every get here with your shouting. I'm deaf to your show. It's easy to lose yourself.
Yo, I miss being like that happy. Just like playing Minecraft. That's crazy.
Oh man, that's so tough. Bro is cooked.
You
For
feed the
real.
little chickens first, because they
What a time I used to be alive.
love. Hey, chicken! Who's distracted? Can't.
Bro, I need to have
Can't
these-
catch me.
How do I make myself stop getting stuck in this?
You can have an unstuck button.
You guys.
Oh, what if I just crank the priority buttons?
Raw chicken.
Say next and what's on my-
I was gonna beat them.
For what, hey?
Bruh, I was going to.
Does that fix the problem? Or does that just add a new problem?
See, bro, why are you attacking me directly?
I'm just asking, I'm asking. Does it add a new problem?
Insane attack on my person.
Why are you doing this? nothing to
What are
do.
you doing?
You don't want to?
You can do it. You can do it. Done.
It kind of does exactly what I needed to do. That's insane.
What does?
It means it, like, I cannot be stuck into a wall anymore if it has a higher priority.
That's crazy.
Oh
That's
my
all you
God.
needed to do
Apparently. Alright.
this whole time?
In many ways, that's all I needed to do.
What happens first? The application of a status effect or the damage?
Like when you're hitting an enemy?
Yeah.
Well,
Wait,
well, no,
wait,
definitely status effects, I'm pretty sure. Well, let me check.
Because of the one thing where it's like, if an enemy dies with freeze, they pass it on to nearby enemies.
So
but
are
if
we
nearby
never
enemy, like
gonna
if it dies before it gets the freeze,
better
then I guess
things?
it wouldn't count it, right?
Yeah, no, it puts freeze on him
mean,
first,
I
and then
mean-
if he dies, it'll do the dead effect later.
You dead.
Armor. Leather armor? No?
Why would we?
Alright, you know what?
I do
It's
know.
iron.
I was just asking.
Yeah, no, we don't have to. Our armor's
Many
better.
huge problems fixed today.
Yeah.
Iron and diamond better.
Yeah, you never.
Oh, it also means I should probably not mess with some of this shit.
Yeah, is it really bad? Okay, I'll give you my lapis. If you
No, you're good.
you good?
Um,
You've gone
There
to
you go.
that part.
we just need level, and then we can enchant. Yeah. I beat it.
You-
Beat Elden Ring.
Beat out it.
Couldn't be me,
Bunch of
apparently.
Oh, fun. You
I
like my
even hear
house?
what she said.
She asked Jaden if he beat Elden Ring.
We have nothing in our chests. I'm sorry.
See
Dude,
that?
that could be you though.
Nah.
And then,
It was wild. I've
go
seen
in
so
our
many
chests.
clips of people two-shotting the boss. It's insane.
You're not allowed to go in my chest then.
Okay, sorry. To go in our chest.
Yeah, that's right.
That's crazy. I can't use any of these boss effects. That's insane.
Put some things in there.
Pretty big L for you. I think
Pretty
I
big L
That's some Mexican juice.
game, dude. What?
L game.
L game bozo.
I want to hear the things
Got
in
him.
Minecraft. And I think my headphones are.
Oh no, this is horrible. I
Alright,
changed.
that's it.
No, no,
Yeah,
it's
you
right.
just
It's fine. It's 100% fine.
I'm lying?
No, no, I said it's fine.
Oh,
Like that.
It's like that.
I
Can you
disagree.
put your headphones on?
If I just go to this wall and crank the
Why?
Is it what you do?
priority.
Okay. Here. I'm gonna go get something real quick.
External combustion goes crazy if it
There
starts
it
going
is.
off.
which one?
The fireball variant that you picked up.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't have the explosive thing on, so
I mean, either way, it like combos with itself.
true.
Alright, let me run this last test. Might have
We
figured
love
it out.
running tests.
I don't.
How do you spell farm?
Oh my god.
F-A-R-M.
Oh my god, I'm doing too much damage. Oh no.
Damn, it was that easy. It was a
Oh.
one number change.
For what?
For not getting stuck in a wall.
Oh yeah, that's actually crazy.
God damn it. Alright, let me revert some of the other shit I did. I'm fine with pushing enemies out of the way. That's actually a good change. We'll leave that. The level, I just want to revert some of the wall changes because they changed the size and stuff.
Brother, why am I doing so much damage? Like, what is happening?
Is it?
Like,
Hey,
what transpired? And why am I doing... I am getting a
Hey.
solid 20 frames. This is crazy.
A
Are
R
you? Yes.
Yeah,
Just like that. It's all the lights probably, if I had to guess.
probably.
and
But
then
why
it
am I doing
goes
so much damage?
after
Like, I don't
N.
understand.
No idea.
Spell
What do I have?
valuable.
I have
Valuable.
increased damage, but then like that's it. It's not like I have anything
Ooh.
crazy.
Oh, you're good. Spell the iron. Wait, how do you spell the iron, Taco?
Iron.
How do you spell?
IRO.
No, how do you smelt?
Oh, you just put it in the oven.
Okay, each level
We need to
has
smelt
walls.
things. We need to.
We have stuff melting.
Each level does. Is this just a level? Huh? Isn't a level supposed to have other code? This is it? I know this is it.
How do you spell values? Full stop?
V.
Wall. A wall is a. What is this?
V.
Oh wait, no. I don't even need to do this thing I'm doing. Over here.
V.
Take that out. Make each wall itself have a higher priority.
L.
Wait a minute. No.
U.
Then go over here.
Brother,
E.
sometimes you can pick up a magnet and have it chain with itself.
It's intended, I suppose.
E.
Is it?
A magnet that picks up another magnet? Yeah, that's the move right there.
Why is it
Valuables.
spawning instantaneously? That's crazy.
You just have good luck.
I should have good luck.
Insane
You're
luck,
right.
even.
Oh man.
Mm,
So
base
this
level,
one's gonna be the
this.
valuables. This one's good. The chest by the oven is going to be the valuables, and then the other one's going to be the thought. Oh my god, we have so many redstone. Nuts.
Let me go make a note for myself. Here, reload it. To do. Clean this up.
Oh, pillagers, where the heck are you going?
I changed what players
Pillagers,
are.
brother.
It's over for him, bro.
Got him.
What?
I got him.
You got him? Where are you going?
Melee enemies.
Around, bro.
Instantly
At this
dead.
level,
That's
like,
crazy.
And
That
then
is
I
wild.
can 18. And then I have to get level so I can enter.
That is true.
Oh, it's night? It's not bedtime. Not bedtime yet.
Well, we're not going to bed anyways. We're going to stay up and fight things.
Yeah. Can you just wait for me? Because I want to fight things with you.
Not the house.
What?
I'm here.
I'm in the other house. Putting
This
all the
house.
farming valuable stuff in.
Why you steal all my stuff?
I put my stuff.
Oh.
This is all my stuff. I have some of the same things as you, okay? Okay? Okay?
No.
What?
No.
Yes, I do.
Some of that stuff you stole.
No, I didn't steal any of it. No, I didn't. Mine did this stuff.
Oh yeah,
I minded it.
yeah, that's true. You mind most of that.
You mind it. And some of them. And one I only took out of the chest to give it to me. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm gonna put some of my. I'm gonna put the bones in, and then this in, and then my. Oh wait, no, I'm actually gonna keep this.
Okay, players get
And then I'm gonna put some of my blocks in.
That's done. Finish collision chambers.
Y'all do know this is the close to y'all be summertime, right?
And then this thing, and that one, and the tag. Some not valuable stuff.
I think I'm
Valuable
I think I'm done,
things
dog.
to me.
As I'll probably stop for today. Well, stop coding for today.
That